Hello and welcome to another video. I'm back. I took last week off to work on taxes here in the US on my normal video recording day. Plus, the weather was not real great and I was just kind of tired. So no video last week, but I'm back. I'm also going back to Bellevue, but not downtown. This week, I am going to Bellevue Botanical Garden in spring to see what the flowers look like and take a kind of quiet walk and enjoy that. The weather here in the Seattle area is a little weird today. It's sunny and sprinkling, a little bit of rain. We'll see. I think it's supposed to go away in by the time I get there. If not, we'll still walk around and take some photos. So that's the plan for today. Going to go create some photos in the garden, see what I can do with my tripod. I brought the tripod to be a little slower, hopefully, in walking around a place I've also been a lot of times, and hopefully see some different compositions. For compositions, I'm using camera gear that includes the Fujifilm X-T3 for my camera. I'm bringing, let's see, I've got 4 lenses, because I overkill, but the lenses are the XF 16 to 80 zoom f4, the XF 70 to 300 f4 to 5.6. I use that quite a bit on get some good image magnification because it has good close focus distance in case I can't physically get close. And then I've also brought the Viltrox 23mm f1.4 and the 50mm Fujinon f2, just because I'm trying to get in the habit of using primes more, just to see things a little differently and force me, hopefully, to move my feet a little more. I tend to forget to do that. I'm learning. I'm always learning. Anyway, so it should be a nice day. Regardless, we might have some water drops on flowers to photograph, and hopefully we'll see what we see. So I will see you after you see the photo. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side of the photos. Well, there you have it. Another set of photos, this time from Bellevue Botanical Garden in the spring of 2022. On a mostly sunny day, clouds came and went, but lots of color, lots of pretty flowers, a little bit of rain to add some interest, raindrops, and a couple birds. So yeah, a little variety there, not just steel and glass buildings. One of the things I found was interesting and a reminder to myself as I was looking through these photos is, as photographers, it can be surprisingly difficult to create photos in beautiful places because when we look at it and we see the whole thing, it's lovely and it's beautiful, but when we go to create a photo of probably the whole thing, oftentimes that becomes messy and less interesting because there's layers and there's distractions and all sorts of things. So for me, my solution to that is to get closer and concentrate on single subjects, in this case, single flowers, to eliminate some of the clutter, the distractions, and keep it simple and create photogenically, hopefully, images that are more interesting. So for me, the challenge is, in the midst of all this beauty, this natural beauty, is to find the moments, find the individual things that I can create images of that are hopefully representative of who I am as a person, what I enjoy looking at, and then hopefully can share with you. So it's a great challenge. It's fun. I'm always learning and hopefully growing in my skills and my way I do this and approach it. So I hope that's helpful to you as you are out creating photos, hopefully in some good weather or challenging weather or interesting weather or all the weathers this time of year. So it'd be fun also to hear your experiences, your approaches to creating photos in places where there's lots of beautiful things, but if you just take the wide view, it can be complicated to create photos. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, suggestions and tips. Any questions you have about these photos or comments, again, in the comments below, would love to have conversation with you. Also, I would greatly appreciate if you enjoyed this video, if you do the thumbs up button. That really helps train the YouTube algorithm for you so that it knows what videos you find helpful. Also then helps this channel and me in hopefully sharing this video with more people out there because you've said you liked it. Thank you. I'd also appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. That way you'll be more sure of seeing videos like this on an ongoing basis because I will make them about once a week. Sometimes there's photo walks, sometimes there's equipment or gear conversations and reviews and thoughts, and just general things about photography. So be glad to have you join the journey. Thank you very much. So hope you enjoyed the photos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So until we meet again, stay safe, stay well, and have fun creating photos. Bye for now.